Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking to this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix your watch history is off on your YouTube. So this process is actually quite simple, and if you're using a device that is different than mine, or if using an iOS device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So if you want to turn on your watch history on your YouTube, is first you need to tap into your YouTube app on your device. So tap onto your YouTube just like that, and tap onto your library. So it is available on the bottom part of your screen. So the bottom right corner of your screen says library, tap onto that, and then on the upper part you will be able to see your history. And then on there, on the upper part, you will be able to see the view all button. So tap onto that view all button, and then on the upper part again, you will be able to see this turn on button. But if you don't see that turn on blue button, what you need to do is to simply tap onto the three dots that is available on the upper part right here. So it says right here on the first section, or first option, says turn on watch history. So tap onto that, and after that, tap on turn on, and that's how you can turn on your history or watch history on your YouTube. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. If it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.